So private career colleges offer those courses which provide hands-on training to students, and they help in getting employment, especially ABM College. So this is a prime example. This college is the prime example that provides the hands-on training and the skills to get employment in the job market. So this is the quality of the ABM College that stands out from other colleges. I have personally interacted with the students earlier. I know it has grown a lot since then, but the values have remained the same about giving the best education to the students and giving them the skills that they need in the job market.